And now for our top focus. Climate activist Sonam Wangchuk and over 140 of his supporters were detained by the Delhi police at the Singhu border on Monday night. Only male volunteers have been detained and kept at 3 different locations, which are Narela, Bhavna and Mundka. Now, as per the Delhi police, Section 163 of the BNS, which restricts gatherings of 5 or more people, has been imposed at Delhi's borders. Wangchuk also took to social media platform X to inform the public about his detention. Now, Wangchuk and other volunteers had embarked on a foot march from Leh to New Delhi to urge the centre to resume dialogue with Ladakh's leadership regarding their demands. One of their key demands is for Ladakh to be included in the 6th schedule of the Constitution, granting lawmaking powers to the local population to protect their land and cultural identity. Now, Wangchuk and volunteers had started the foot march from Leh on the 1st of September.
हरियाणा को लांघकर हम दिल्ली में सिंघू बॉर्डर पर पहुंचेंगे और वहीं रात गुजारेंगे और कल सुबह 6:30 बजे हम वहां से फिर पैदल मार्च करेंगे मजनू के टीले तक और परसों सुबह 9 बजे मार्च करेंगे 2 अक्टूबर को बापू की जन्मदिन पर उनकी समाधि राजघाट तक हम मार्च करेंगे। कि पहली बात तो ये बापू की स्मृति में है तो इसे हम बहुत ही शांतिपूर्ण रखेंगे, सद्भावनापूर्ण रखेंगे। दूसरी बात ये लद्दाख की समस्याओं के समाधान के लिए है तो इसे लद्दाख की पदयात्रा ही रखेंगे। इसमें कोई और मकसद एजेंडा हम नहीं जोड़ेंगे। हम कल और परसों दिल्ली के सड़कों पर दिल्ली की जनता का सम्मान करते हुए कोई नारेबाजी नहीं करेंगे। जिंदाबाद मुर्दाबाद ऐसा करना लद्दाख की परंपरा नहीं है। ना ही हम बैनर्स और प्लेकार्ड्स उठा के जुलूस का शक्ल लेंगे। हम लेंगे तो लद्दाख के परंपरा अनुसार हाथों में ये वाइट स्कार्फ खतक जिसे कहते हैं इसको लहराएंगे।
And opposition leaders have condemned the detention of activist Sonam Wangchuk. Congress MP and Lok Sabha leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi is hit out at the centre, calling Wangchuk and other volunteers' detentions as unacceptable. The Delhi Chief Minister Atishi has also condemned the detention. She even visited the police station to meet Sonam Wangchuk, but she claimed that she wasn't allowed to meet with him.
शांतिपूर्ण प्रदर्शन कर रहे सोनम वांगचुक जी और लद्दाख के लोग जो कल 2 अक्टूबर को बापू की समाधि पे दर्शन करने जा रहे थे, उनको भारतीय जनता पार्टी की केंद्र सरकार ने गिरफ्तार कर लिया। हालांकि पुलिस ने पुलिस स्टेशन में मेरी एंट्री करवाई, उन्होंने मुझे सोनम वांगचुक जी से मिलने नहीं दिया। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तानाशाही है। हम सोनम वांगचुक जी का पूरा समर्थन करते हैं। लद्दाख में एलजी राज खत्म होना चाहिए।
And beyond this, the PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti has said that by detaining Wangchuk, his fundamental right to protest has been snatched. She further said that she stands in solidarity with the people of Ladakh. Crossing over to my colleague Priyank to bring us more on this. Priyank, considering that there have been many detainments which we're talking about here, is there a worry that with Sonam Wangchuk and the activists along with him, is there a worry that harmony on the ground could be disrupted?
This is a peaceful protest and they have already abided to whatever has been said by the state police. Like you talk about what happened in Punjab, they were peacefully marching, and later to that in Haryana, when they entered, they were escorted by the police officials, stating that since there are elections going on in Haryana, we won't be allowing you to go for the march. The gathering was approximately around 150 people, and the moment they entered the national capital through Singhu border, there was already a prohibitory order which was issued by the Delhi Police Commissioner Mr. Sanjay Arora, following to which these activists have been detained. The women were allowed to go because it was late evening, and since then Sonam Wangchuk has been kept at this Bhavana police station, where the senior senior officials are also there. Just a short while back, Atishi, the Chief Minister of the National Capital, came here, and she says that although she was allowed to enter the police station premises, but she was not allowed to meet Sonam Wangchuk. In this, they have also raised, the Aam Aadmi Party has raised the issue of the dominance of LG, which is there in the national capital and also in Ladakh, where they are saying that there should be full statehood so that the democratic right of the elected government should not be stolen. Sonam Wangchuk is here, but the Delhi police is saying that since they are VVIP dignitaries, which is already who are already scheduled to visit the Rajghat on 2nd of October, they won't be allowing to Sonam Wangchuk till the time the VVIP visit is there. It's most likely that the Delhi police can change their stand depending on the situation, and Sonam Wangchuk and other activists could be allowed to pay homage at the Samadhi of Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi on 2nd post the VVIP visit end. But there's no clarity officially made by the Delhi police so far. Sonam, along with 120 supporters from Ladakh, have been detained at this police station. There's no further statement which has come out from the Delhi police regarding the status of arrest of these activists who wanted to march from Majnu Ka Tila till Rajghat.
All right, Priyank, thank you so much for joining us and getting us those crucial details.